Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to hide hashtags on Instagram. For this, you just have to open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon. And here you just have to tap on this plus icon. Just tap on it, and after that tap on camera, and then tap on create. And here you just have to select a solid background. As I have selected this one, so just select it, and here you just have to put your hashtag you want. As I have to enter this one, now tap on next. After that you just have to select this and then tap on color, then tap on proper icon, just tap on it, and now you can see I have successfully hidden my hashtag on my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.